February 27th, 2022, Sistuh Big Bone had become Sistuh Big Belly, and now we know why. We have 14 Bogan Sistuh Big Bone pups, and she is an excellent mother. She didn't do this here in this plush baby pen. Well, plush by my standards. She did that in a dog glue. She was adamant that's where she wanted to be, so I didn't argue. And she handled it, didn't lose a one so far. And in a tight space even. Got a lot of interesting colors. All the hues are a little off because of the heat lamp, but we got silvers, dilutes, brindles, some like rusty colored puffs. Nice variety. So, 2 months from now, well, let's say 9 weeks, these guys will be ready to go. I haven't done the gender count yet. I'll do that later. Bogan Sistuh Big Bone, Olympic road dogs. Yes. Good girl. Good girl, Sistuh Big Bone.